Welcome everyone in this YouTube channel. In the last video, that is lecture second, we have seen practice set 3.1 of maths first of 10th standard. That is chapter number 3, Arithmetic Progression. Now we are going to study the nth term of an AP. So nth term, first term is denoted by T1. So which is A. First term is denoted by T1 and it is also denoted by A. And common difference is denoted by small d. So if we add d in the first term, we get second term. So second term T2 is denoted by T2. T2 means second term. So second term means add d in first term. So a plus d, this will be second term. What is third term? If we add d in the second term, we will get third term. So a plus d, that is equal to a plus 2d. So T4 is equal to, T4 means fourth term of an AP. If we add a in third term, we get fourth term. So a plus 2d plus d, that means a plus 3d. Like that, T5 is equal to a plus, add to this again d, so it will become 4d. So T6 is equal to a plus 5d. Now see here is T1, there is no d, so this can be written as a plus 0d. So this is written as a plus 1d, that means 2 minus 1d. So this can be written a plus 3 minus 2, minus 1 into d. This is a plus 4 minus 1 into d. This is a plus 5 minus 1 into d. So this can be written a plus 6 minus 1 into d. So Tn, that means nth term of an AP, can be calculated like this. A, this is the first term, plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the nth term of an AP. By using this formula, we can calculate any term in the AP. So there are examples in practice set 3.2. In the 3.2, first example is very easy. You can solve easily. Now, the second example, there is given, decide whether following sequence is an AP and if so, find the 20th term of the progression. So AP, so progression is given, that is sequence is given minus 12, comma, minus 5, comma, 2, comma, 9, comma, 16, comma, 23, comma, 30, comma, and so on. This sequence is given and we have to prove this sequence is an AP or not. If the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant or same, then this sequence is an AP, otherwise not. So this is the first term of sequence, this is second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. So right here first T1 is equal to minus 12, T2 is equal to minus 5, T3 is equal to 2, T4 is equal to 9, T5 is equal to 16, T6 is equal to 23, and T7 is equal to 30. So write these all the terms given. Then find difference between all these consecutive terms. So find out first T7 minus T6. What is the value of T7? 30. 30 minus 23 is equal to 7. So T6 minus T5. So T6 is 23 minus 16 is equal to so 7. So T5 minus T4 is equal to, what is the value of T5? That is 16 minus 9 is also equal to 7. So T4 minus T3, T4 9 minus 2 is equal to also 7. So then T3 minus T2 is equal to T3, that is 2, minus, and T2 is again minus 5, so write in bracket minus 5. So this will become 2 minus into minus plus 5 is equal to 7. Then T2 minus T1 is equal to, what is T2 minus 5 minus T1. What is the value of T1? T1 is minus 12. So write in bracket. So this will be minus 5 plus 12. So this is minus, this is plus. There will be subtraction. 12 minus 5, that is 7. So difference between any two consecutive terms is 7. So that is constant. That's why this given sequence is an AP. If this is an AP, then we have to find 20th term of this AP. 20th term means we have to calculate T20 is equal to question mark. So we know the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula. In this, if we know the values of A, n and D, we can calculate T20. So we have to find T20, that means n is equal to 20. A means first term, so first term is minus 12. Then D, that is common difference that we have calculated, so D is equal to 7. If we substitute these values of n, A and D in the formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, then we get T20, that is 20 in the term. So T20 is equal to A, that means minus 12, plus into bracket n is 20, 20 minus 1 into D, that is 7. So which is equal to minus 12. First subtract this. So 20 minus 1, that is 19 into 7. So minus 12, this will be plus 19 into 7. 7 9s are 63, 7 plus, so that is 133. This is minus, this is plus. So this is greater than this, so plus sign will be here to the answer. So 133 minus 12, that is 3 minus 2, that is 1, 3 minus 1, 2. So T20 is equal to 121. So 20th term of this arithmetic progression is 121. So this is the answer. Very easy. Now, such examples we have given in practice set 3.2. You can solve like this. Third example, then fourth example is given like this. Find the 19th term of the following AP. They have given AP and we have asked find 19th term. So they have given 7, 13, then 19 and 25 and so on. This is an AP. So we have to find 19th term. That means we have to find T19 is equal to question mark. Now see here, we have to use formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we know the values of A, we must know values of A, n and D. Then we can calculate Tn. So here A means first term, so first term is 7, so A is 7. Then which term we have to calculate it? So 19th term, that's why n is equal to 19. And what is value of D? That is common difference. Common difference means T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. N is difference. So 13 minus 7, that is 6. So D is equal to T2, that is 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So D is 6. So choose in this T19 is equal to A means 7 plus into bracket 19 minus 1 into D, that is 6. So T19 is equal to 7, so subtraction, plus 18 into 6. So 7 plus 108. So which is equal to 150. So T19 is equal to 150. So this is the answer. So 19th term of this AP is 180. Now there are other type of examples. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. So which is the smallest 3-digit number? That is 100. Whether this is divisible by 5, so yes. So this is the first number which is divisible by 5. Then second number will be 105, then 110, like this. Last 3-digit number is 999. 999. So but it is not divisible by 5. So we have to find the number which is divisible by 5 and 3-digit number. So that will be 995. So last number will be 995. So we have to find how many numbers, how many 3-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 5. So AP will be like this. So here this is value of T1, that is A, is equal to 100. What is value of D? D is T2 minus T1, that is 5. And this is value of Tn. So Tn is equal to 995. Now use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. There are 4 unknowns, Tn, A, n and D. Out of that, 3 values of 3 unknowns are known, that is A, D and Tn. So we have to calculate n here. So what is the value of Tn? So 995 is equal to A, that is 100, plus n minus 1 into D, that is 5. So this 100 995. Transfer this that side to this side, so we get minus 100 is equal to 5 into bracket n minus 1. N minus 1 into 5, that means 5 into n minus 1. So this is 895. This is multiplied by, after taking to this side, this will become divided by. So 895 upon 5 is equal to n minus 1. So 5 1 the 5 1 the 5, 3, 5 7 the 35, and 5 9 the 45. So 179 is equal to n minus 1. So transfer this one to that side, we get 179 plus 1 is equal to n. So 180 is equal to n. So n is equal to 180. So there are 180 numbers, 3-digit numbers, which are divisible by 5. So this is the answer. So